Re-iBoot can repair iOS system problems and restore your iPhones easily. Hey, what is up guys, iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to give you guys my official review for iOS 13.3. Now iOS 13.3 brings quite a bit of improvements and new features to the iPhone. In this video I want to talk about the expected release date, how the new features are working, and what you can anticipate with iOS 13.3. Now, as of the filming of this video, it is currently sitting in beta 3. However, I do not anticipate any additional betas, maybe one as the gold master copy before the official release. Now, with the next beta that may be coming our way here in the next couple of days, do not expect any major changes to the software. This is going to be pretty much the gold master copy. In terms of expected release date for iOS 13.3, I'm expecting Apple to release this software on the week of the 2nd of December. Now, this coincides with Apple's developer application event that they have going on December the 2nd. That event will be held on December the 2nd, and iOS 13.3 could be making its debut on that day or during that week. Now, as I mentioned, this software brings quite a bit of improvements, starting with screen time settings. Under screen time settings, we now have a new communication limit tab. Under communication limits, during allowed screen times, you can now set the communication limits with who the person communicates with. So if you're monitoring a device during downtime or screen time, you can allow and restrict certain communications depending on the context on the device. So communication limits is definitely a new feature coming to iOS 13.3, and I think many users will find this very, very helpful. Now, in the video editing department, Apple has re-added a feature that was here before. When you go to edit a video, you can either save it as a new video or save it as a new clip. So before with iOS 13.2, it was only save the video as it was edited. Now you have the option to have both the edited video and the original video as well. Now, I've also noticed with iOS 13.3 improvements to AirPlay, audio sharing, and transfer to HomePod. This feature allows you to transfer any music that you're listening to your HomePod when you get home. It's a really awesome feature. This feature was originally added on 13.2. Many users were reporting issues. I have to say it works fantastic, very well on 13.3. There's also minor UI changes with AirPod icons across the OS and the platform itself. There's a new toggle for Control Center. This one allows you to enable or disable announce messages with Siri directly from Control Center. In order to enable this, you want to go over to Settings. You want to go to Control Center, tap on Customize, and you can add the feature or the extension right here to your Control Center. As you can see, there it is, announce messages with Siri. This one will work with the new AirPods Pro, and it is in Control Center. There it is. You can 3D touch or haptic touch, and you can enable, mute it for an hour or off for the day if you want, and you can go ahead and press on it, turn it on directly from the Control Center. AirPods must be connected. And now the audio sharing feature has also been improved with iOS 13.3. Everything seems to be working just fine. I feel like this software is pretty much ready to go. So those are some of the changes, improvements, and new features to expect with 13.3. Again, expected release date should be on the week of the 2nd of December. We may see maybe one more beta, and this software will be pretty much polished and ready to go. Now, in regards to battery, you can anticipate my battery comparison of iOS 13.3 versus 13.2.3 here coming shortly after the official release of the software. I want to thank you guys for watching my official review for iOS 13.3. I hope you guys have a great day. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone that celebrates Thanksgiving, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.